So it's another day in Bali, in Sanur, right?
Yeah. So today is another day.
Yeah, but we got some
got
new informations
many,
actually.
Updates and many information about Bali actually. This news is about the mandatory vaccine in Indonesia. So it means like all of you Indonesians, you have to take vaccine no matter what is it.
No matter of what, if you agree with the idea or not, otherwise the sanction is up to 1 year in prison or up to 100 million rupiah fine. So it's about $7,000 and for many local people it's really a lot of big fine, and nobody wants to go to jail, right?
Alright.
So that's the news number one. You can comment below what do you think about that, but please no rude comments, okay? Just otherwise I will have to remove the comments, but I'm very happy if you're gonna discuss about that in the comment section. And thing number two.
News number two is Mr. President, our Indonesian president, yesterday just got the first vaccine. Yeah, so it means that after this will be many people will get vaccine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also your brother, which is my brother-in-law.
So my brother got his vaccine today.
Yeah.
This afternoon at 2 p.m. in Sangla Hospital. Why he got the vaccine? Why I didn't get it yet? Because he is working in the Sangla Hospital. So for those people who live in Bali, for those who is working in hospital, in clinics, in like in health services, you will get first vaccine like doctor, nurse, and all medical stuff.
And after that they will start to vaccinating people, younger generations. So from the young people,
the young generation will get first, around 18 until 59 years first.
And then there will be the older generation.
Yeah.
I sit here, okay?
Oh, sir, alright, sir. Give me 5 minutes to clean this one up, yeah?
Oh, okay. Alright, so after the portion of the news, it's time to release your brain a little bit and chill on the beach, having coffee and cake, right?
Yeah, cheers.
Alright, so we have the coffee. Another thing what is new here is like
The news is that no mask, no service. So wherever you go, like you go to the restaurant, you go to the public places in Bali, so if you are not wearing mask, they will not give you the service actually.
Yeah, and also if you don't wear mask, even like you're walking right here right now on the beach, you can also get a trouble, and quite big trouble with that. So well,
so after this
what
we
I can
plan to have a dinner actually, because the restaurant will be closed at 9.
Yeah, also
no more than 9, so we have to get dinner early. So this is Sanur Beach today. Always calm water. And what I love is a family friendly, and the water so warm.
And one more thing, now for the next 2 weeks probably, we are trying to change the concept little bit of the video. So basically will be no music except the time lapse at the beginning only, because it's time lapse you have to have, because we want to show you the
how
pure.
the what is it, the real, I mean that we want to show you how the natural it is, I mean like with no music at all, so just you can hear the sound of the road, the sound of everything without any background music.
Yes, and also will be no much editing, so basically will be longer clips without any fancy editing. We will see how it's gonna work. Please comment below also what do you think about this idea. You prefer like with the kind of fancy short clips with the music, with the nice editing, or just simple, just how it is. Comment below will be much appreciated. Okay, let's have a dinner, I mean not lunchy, dinner in the night market in Sanur, yes?
Yeah.
I just arrived to the Sindhu night market. Winnie is washing hands, of course, don't forget about the health protocols, right?
Mau makan sini bungkus?
Makan sini aja.
Sambelnya pedas apa yang sedang?
Yang sedang-sedang saja.
Oke.
What honey did you order for dinner lah?
Ayam lalapan.
Okay, so Winnie gonna have a ikan lalapan. I mean, ayam lalapan. Wonder what I gonna have.
Nggak ada bakso.
Just me ayam, it's okay.
You want with the egg?
With egg?
You wanna have egg?
They have egg?
Ya, boiled egg.
Yeah, okay.
Ini ayam satu pakai telur ya Pak ya. Kita boleh duduk sana di lalapan. Sana lalapan.
So eventually I decide I'm gonna have a mi ayam because they don't have a lalapan ikan. We're gonna have a lalapan, so that's how it look. But we just change, split the, like sit together. No problem. Oh, honey already arrived food. Yeah.
Yeah. So I have my lalapan.
Oh, honey, your lalapan looks so nice lah.
So lalapan basically with the chicken, with duck, or with lele, catfish, or with the seafood, and it can be fried or grilled. Lalapan also with this one, kemangi, cauliflower, cabbage, and also
Thank you.
and also with the sambal. This one,
Smacznego, honey.
dziękuję. And you have to eat using your hand like this.
Of
Take
course,
it.
by hand.
The sambal.
I make zoom for your mouth lah, honey. Oh. That's classic.
Bagus, bagus.
And take bottle.
This is so good. The chicken, fried chicken with the
So
sambal. And this one in my rice. Look at the sambal. And I put it together like this. And I will eat.
This is tutorial how to eat the street food in Bali. Oh my god. So good, yeah? My mi ayam is coming.
Makasih, Mas.
Thank you so much.
Ada sausnya, Lip.
Yeah,
Oh ya.
here we go. Alright, so that's me, my mi ayam. Last time I record myself like this when I was in Singapore actually. But when you have a dirty hands, I mean still eating by hand. This honey? How is your lalapan?
So good.
Okay, I'll show you how it looks there. Mi ayam. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, and some dessert, probably pisang goreng. Still hot.
Pisang goreng.
Alright, at the end of our video today, I moved to the place where we stay. Unfortunately, after almost 3 years, I had to say goodbye to my lovely car, which is this one, obviously. We decided with Winnie to sell our car due to some financial struggles. It's the tough times everywhere around the world, so I think I don't need to explain much more about that. Anyway, I little bit feel sad because, you know, I had the car for 3 years and we used to make many vlogs using the car and talking inside, so I decided I will share with you guys that. Quick story, we bought the car about 3 years ago due to some sad things what we saw on the road. Was the 1 week when we saw few very critical death accidents on the road, and me and Winnie decided we're gonna buy the car. It was the time when Winnie said no to driving bike for me, so it was about 1 year when I used to drive only car every single day. Unfortunately, everything has changing now. Today in 1 hour Winnie's dad gonna take car and bring back to the home and they're gonna sell it. Also, one thing, the car we paid for the car 3 years ago 155 million rupiah. Now the car is valued by about 80-85 million, so the car prices drop about 45, even 50% right now. Unfortunately, yeah, car is getting older, so its value is going down. That's normal thing. Oh, it's Vita windy. How's your pisang, honey? Alright, as our tradition, Winnie gonna eat pisang goreng during the closing. By the way, we pay 26, yeah?
For lalapang.
26k for lalapan, including the 2 drinks. 5k for the bananas,
Pisang goreng.
5 pieces, and 13k for my
Mie
ayam, which is super cheap. I could say actually very cheap, even for Bali, and this is like a tourist market, but the prices are now very local. Or at least kinda local.
Thank you for watching.
And
I need to finish my pisang goreng, ya.
Yes, thank you for
See you
watching.
tomorrow.
And see you tomorrow like always. See ya, take care guys.
This is her. This is it. Bali life.